Hey guys, today I'm going to replace the gasket for my LG dishwasher. You see that I have a problem here with the gasket. Let me just approach so you see better. There we go, see? It's damaged. So I just need to replace everything here. And it's pretty simple, you just need to grab the model, see here on the door. You just need to take a look at the model that I have here. And then you can order online another gasket like this one. So I got mine here, so we'll just open it, and then I just need to remove this one, and the other one I'm gonna put here, starting in the center and then running to both sides, right? So let me just open this one. I got this from a store online. They sent me. Here's the model for this one that I'm using right now. Okay, according to your LG dishwasher model or any other model that you have back there, you're gonna ask for some part number. So there we go. When I open it, that's what I have. So I'm going to replace it. Let me just approach here. So I'm going to remove it here, starting here from the bottom. You can just see that's breaking. Just need to pull it out like this. There we go. And here on the top, it's pretty bad already. And then when I grab the new one, I need just to measure here, like I'm putting this one here in the center, then I move to both directions. Let me just show you here that the part that I'm gonna push is this round one, right? And this one will be here facing me, right? So let me just grab here and find the center. So I just put those parts together here, and I'm eyeballing the center here. There we go, and then I start from here. Just put it there. That goes there, that way. See it? I just push it here, and it stays in place, like so. Super, super simple. And there we go. I have a here, you see, from the bottom to the top, all the way to the other side here. See, that's now much, much better. Okay. And I can just close it. And there we go. It's working. So pretty good. Hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.